I know I said I was going to cut that time down, but damn, that's some Texas type of storm right there, man. Oh, I need rear tires too. Okay. All right, trooper. Damn, man. Let me live. What's up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage, and today we're knocking out part 2 of this trip to Las Vegas. You like this Contagion Athletics joint? I like this red hat, I ain't gonna lie. Shout out to my dude Cali Boy Kev with the fire ass merch. But I got a little bit of a problem, man. I can't really go as fast as I want and cut this time down because I got this shit in front of me right here, and it looks nasty over that way. But it's like little pieces of ice already tapping my window, so I got to be careful with it. I don't want to mess around and, you know, run into a hailstorm, especially with my ass end, with my tires kind of bald. I don't want to push her too hard. So I'm sitting at like 65. The road seems like it's holding pretty good. Maybe I'll go to 70, and we'll see how she handles. But if she starts getting loose, I'm gonna slow. It ain't worth it. I just slow my ass down. But anywho's, we got like about 10 hours of driving to go, so we'll see if we see any interesting crap along the way. You know, and I'll take you guys along with me for a little bonus video, letting y'all come with me on the trip. You know what I'm saying? And we'll see what we see out here. Look at the damn rain already, man. Damn. Oh, it's cool. I was just catching the train while I was driving. There's a train out here running, and I'm going faster than the train, which is rare. Well, we're back, guys. It is the next day. You can see that. I don't know if that's a police cruiser or not. It might be. But there's evidently a major accident up ahead. We're still rolling on the way to Vegas. I need my damn ears to pop. Somebody must have ate shit in the middle of the street. I hope it's not a bike. Are they making everybody get off? Wow. But that only happens if there's fatalities, so that ain't about just them cleaning up an accident. That's because they got a crime scene, probably. And yes, we are out here at Albuquerque. I'm hoping we can get off and get right back on, because I don't know where the hell I'm at or where I'm going. But if you look way up ahead, the lights up there, I'm guessing that's where the accident is, at the other side of the thing. So I'm hoping if I go straight, I can get back on the highway. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll be back. Well, it does not look like I'm going to be able to go straight because of the cops and stuff sitting up there blocking the entrance. So my best bet is to probably follow one of these semi-trucks. That's my guess. I'm going to have to see if someone's going to let me over when the light changes. Alright, we got around it, guys. Now we're just moving. Yeah, getting through Albuquerque, baby. That monster screaming, boy. All right, guys, good morning. Welcome on back to TK's Garage. We're continuing on with the trip to Las Vegas. After about a 2.5, maybe 3 hour stop, took a nap, back on the road rolling. We got about 3.5 hours left before we get into Las Vegas. Currently rolling through Arizona. Just went through Flagstaff, and we got a little bit of a ride left to go here. I guess it's about 3.5 hours. So we're going to keep it moving. If anything interesting happens, we'll pop in. But yeah, as you can see, the sun is just starting to come up here. I think I'm still in Mountain Time. I don't think I hit the Pacific Time Zone until I cross into Nevada. So yeah. But I got some news for y'all, man. This might be a bonus video for y'all today after a COPART walk around, because I'm going directly to COPART when I get into Vegas, because I got time before I check into my hotel. So I figured, let me go out, put the drone up in the air, get some footage, walk around COPART in Las Vegas, and see what it do, man. So let's go ahead and go do that. We're going to keep rolling. Like I said, 3.5 hours. And I'll tap in with you guys here in a few minutes. Ooh, man, them West Coast gas prices, boy. $3.50 for regular. Shout out to T-Mobile for that T-Mobile Tuesday low gas price, man. Yo, I had to use that 15 cents off, and then I had another like 5 cents off in like Kingman or whatever the hell I just, right when you make that turn off of 40 and you start going up towards Vegas. Yo, the premium was like $4.28 a gallon. And then after all my discounts, it was down to $3.90 98 cents or something like that. Under $4 for premium. But Jesus, man. Woof. Now we just rolling, man. We I think it's 65 out here. I need to chill the fuck out. Just realized I'm moving. But I'm keeping up with traffic. Everybody else is just out here moving. But I should be into Las Vegas here within the next hour. So for y'all, that might just be a minute or two, but stay tuned. We're gonna be popping up into the damn city. We're gonna be popping up into the city here in a little bit. I'm excited already, man. I'm so excited. I'm going straight to freaking COPART. I got videos to get done. I'm so pissed off that my SD card got corrupted. I know you're going to see a video with me and Randy in Santa's Workshop on Randy's channel this week. I got some footage that I got with the phone. I might put together with some of the drone footage and make it like a little bonus video, but it ain't the same, man. Anywho's, I'm on my brakes is what I'm doing. Like K-band, I don't even really pay attention to that anymore, but KA-band or laser, yeah, you got my attention when I hear that joint. But, oh shit, that was a rock. Please don't crack my windshield anymore. I am sick of that, man. Man, I already got the one spot. It's fixed. I don't need another one. I just put my damn easy passes from all the different states that I travel in on the damn car. Anywho's, we're going to keep on rolling, and I will come back. I'll tap in here with you guys here in just a little bit. Alright guys, so we are in the home stretch. I got about 50 or so miles before I get into Las Vegas. It is beautiful out here, man. I always love the scenic view coming into town, man. We're still in Arizona. I don't think I've crossed into Pacific Time Zone yet. But we should be out of Arizona in the next couple of minutes. Yeah, commercial vehicles. So I know we got like maybe 2-3 minutes and then we'll be in Nevada. So there it is. Welcome to Nevada. We in the building, baby. We in the building. You hear that beast? 32 miles to go. 21 miles to go, baby. Woo! And there it is. Las Vegas in all of its glory. Right there. We done made it. I'm in the building. Now should I mess with the troll today? Should I do it tomorrow? I don't know. I really don't know. But I know one thing. I'm gonna have some fun. Outside of dude getting a special care package in the mail, I bet he was like, he's not coming all the way to Vegas. And outside of trolling this troll, we're going to link up with Carlos, the CEO over there at LUX Mobile. We're gonna link up with Ronaldo, Mike, a bunch of people I know here in Vegas. I'm gonna have some fun, man. I'm gonna have some fun while I'm here. But word of advice though for the troll: stop calling the police, man. They're not gonna help you. Like 3 phone calls in the last 48 hours because you knew I was on the way. They're not gonna help you, bro. You know, like they tell me every time you call, right? They're not gonna help you. All this calling and saying that you fear for your safety. Come on, man, stop it. Stop it. Just take your medicine, bro. You jumped out the window. You gonna get these dicks on your car. Like, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. So, now if I really want to be disrespectful, shout out to Mike and Ronaldo. I think it was Mike that was with me when I pissed on that GT500. I could stand on the hood of your car and piss on it. But I don't want to. You know what? I might just be disrespectful. Yeah, we're moving, baby. Moving. There goes that strip off to your left in the distance. Oh man, it is good to be back. It is always good to be back here, man. Woo! Nope, and we say bye-bye. Miss me with that shit. See, I lived here long enough. I was a resident here for long enough that I know how to avoid that bullshit. Miss me with that bullshit right there. We're gonna go around all that bullshit today, so I can get down here appropriately. I think I'm still in Henderson. I'm not sure I don't think I crossed into Vegas yet. Oh, there's a Henderson cop right there, but I gotta do it, man. You know I gotta do it, right? All right, guys, so there you have it. We made it all the way to Las Vegas. I need a shower. Yeah, I need a shower. And but we're gonna run up here to COPART. I'm gonna knock a video out. You guys will probably see that tomorrow or maybe later today. We'll see. I'm gonna put this together for you guys. It's kind of like a bonus video. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. It's been crazy, man. Nice long crazy trip. We're gonna have some fun while we're here. For you guys that are new to the channel and you guys like to see trolls get their medicine, stay tuned. For y'all that have been following me for a long time, you already know what's about to go down. And yeah, I'm gonna go take care of that at some point today. We're gonna enjoy ourselves, party, bullshit, have some fun. I'm gonna be here for a minute. Stay tuned.